So how to hook up Meta. Here's how to hook up Meta. Go to developers.facebook.com/apps and that will open backend. Then once you're in there, we're gonna go to create an app. You're gonna wanna create an app. You wanna name your app. We can call it, put your email. And here's where you check off what you want it to do. Now, one thing I recommend for just security and just best practices, only give this access to what it actually needs and what it's actually going to be doing. So you can check off everything here. So if you want it to engage with customers on Meta, if you want research, manage Instagram messaging and content, that's important. Manage everything on your page, connect with customers through WhatsApp. You can choose what you want it to do, right? Access live video. I don't think it's going to be going live. These are pretty good. Create ads if you want to do ads, measure performance, and ads manager. And if you want to do threads, there you go. So then you go next and you choose the account. You also need to make sure your business is verified before using this. So if you have not done that, make sure you have about business verification, and then you create app. All right, cool. So we built this, right? So now what's next? You want to go to tools, and you want to go to Graph API Explorer. And this is where you get user token. You can do page access if you want, and generate key. Boom. You're going to copy this key here. I'm going to delete this after this video, but copy this key, give it to your OpenClaw agent / Squidbot agent if you're using Squidbot, if you're using OpenClaw, or if you're using anything else, this is what it would need. And you can see the permissions here. So you got to make sure all the permissions are checked. Otherwise you can't do any of this. And just make sure it's linked to your page, the page that you want it access to. So you can see the pages here, token is submitted, that's it. And you can see the ID and everything.